Bing's chat interface is very clean and simple and is right next to Bing Search, which makes it easy to goggle between AI chat and a more traditional search engine. Offers 3 conversation styles to choose from. The default is more balanced, then more precise and more creative on the left, which unlocks creative tools like Bing Image Creator powered by DALL-E for generating images from text. Bing selecting a different conversation style changes the color of the interface to help remind you which style you're using. Bing currently only allows you to ask 20 questions before it forces you to change the subject, which is similar to ChatGPT 4, a mobile app for iPhone or Android that makes it easy to access the new Bing chat on the go. And it has a voice, so extra points for that too. Hello, this is Bing for the video I'm producing right now. Alright, let's see what Bing says. Sure. Here's a possible head and deck for your video head Bing Chat versus Bard AI and ChatGPT. Which AI chatbot is the best screen already embedded into major web browsers? Bing comes out on top for now. Its user interface is simple to use, and its quality of responses are more detailed and trustworthy. Bing's image creator and mobile app area handy tool in many ways, and the new Bing Chat experience is productive. From my side, this tool is good.